The following video presentation was recorded during an actual emergency event prior to 2002. Since this recording, many fire service SOPs and tactics have changed. There are no actors or staged events.
Liquid asphalt. We got one 100-foot tank that's blown up. Fire spread to some tanks adjacent to the one that was involved. It blew up. Also, we had a tank truck that was adjacent to it in a loading chute there, and it caught on fire also. We've just been trying to protect our exposures with the water and heavy stream devices so we can get foam into all our lines, and then go ahead and try to extinguish the fire with foam once we get the foam in all our lines.
The majority of the fire appears to be out. What we're going to do now is lay out the 1 3/4 lines and have a big line to back it up. Do you have 2 1/2 or do you have 5-inch holes?
I've got 5.
Do you have 5-inch holes? Okay. If we lay out the 5-inch holes to the portable plug, then give me your wide lines plus 1 line for backup. Okay, we're going to have to lay the portable plug. We have no choice. You know, we just don't have enough holes. No, don't use the multiversal. If we need it later, we'll bring some holes back here. I want to get those 1 1/2 lines going, pull this stuff down, and get a backup line to protect the mill. Well, right now we're just trying to mop up, some little spot fire. There's still some fire left inside this tank. That's the one that blew up originally. So right now we're trying to lay some smaller lines that we can maneuver around and put out these small spots, cool them off.
We caught it on the second alarm. All this was fire. All this was on fire back here. They wasn't able to hit it from the front. It didn't appear. And that building was on fire right behind us. We laid a 2 1/2-inch line. We came in from the rear, hit the building, knocked most of it down, and then advanced the line over here to get on these tanks and cool this tank.
The object is to put a blanket of foam to keep it from reigniting, and also to cool the exposed tanks in order to keep them from igniting the fuel again. So it's just a long process. It wasn't built in a day, and we can't put it out in a couple of seconds. So it's an ongoing process.
Our only concern was keeping the men back at a safe distance in case there was a secondary explosion from one of the other tanks before we could cool it down. That was our main concern, keeping the men at a safe distance, setting up water monitors instead of having the individuals on the hand lines up close to the tanks themselves. The burning tar, we remain upwind from it. Anything like that has noxious or bad fumes to it. This is asphalt probably 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep now, and it has hardened, so it was quite an explosion. The plant engineer says the fire department did a super job of cutting it off before it got into the converters, or we'd have lost several more tanks.
How was it up there, Lieutenant? It was very warm.
Today we had an inspection. Chief had an inspection. We scrubbed the squad from end to end, and now the squad is dirtier than it's ever been in its whole life. That's the fate of a hazmat guy.
I was appointed to be the light water task force leader, in charge of operations of getting the water to and out of light water 1 in through the supply pumpers or attack pumpers, as we call them, to deliver foam to the fire. What light water 1 does is act as a header or an injection point for foam to go into the water line that's flowing through 2 very large headers, one on each side of light water 1. All it is an injection point. It puts the foam into the water. It is a huge inductor, is what it is.
Yeah, that's our specialized light water apparatus that carries 4,000 gallons of AFFF. It's designed to put a blanket of foam on top of the liquid to keep the vapors suppressed, to keep the fire extinguished. The tanks are designed that the lids blow off of them, but we can prevent that. That's what we're here for, because once those lids blow off, then you have other product involved, and then you have the danger that lid is landing somewhere. So you got to make sure that all the firefighters are protected, and we withdraw from the area until we get everything cooled off and extinguished. From our operation, we think it was textbook. I think we did a very good job and controlled the fire in a minimum amount of time.